Bird Dog 51 Virginia saying good morning your way. Bird Dog 51 Virginia.
No, that 51 sound like a local in here. You want some coconut cream in that coffee this morning, 51? Bird Dog being nosy.
Yeah, I like a coffee. I'll take it with anything in it, just about there, as long as it's coffee.
I know you're dog plugging, right? Sweet and white. That's the way I like it, like my girls. Take it easy, 51. Appreciate you taking the time to show your face up here on mine and Lady Bird Dog's place.
All right, Bird Dog, you and the better half have a fine day out there and shout at us anytime. 51 on this old little country border. Just drinking this coffee and listening up.
Roger, 51. Take it easy and don't be too sleazy up there on the border. Oh, Bird Dog and Lady Bird Dog, and I'll get out of here before they put a muzzle on me. Have a great day. How about you, Bird Dog?
Oh, where can you?
Oh, 3047 Virginia, waving at you. Bang. Hello, right back. Kind of rough up here. It's getting rough. You know Bird Dog's always barking at the strangers. Hello, Skipland. Yeah, there, Bird Dog. 33 on the hill, Virginia. Sam Bay. Right there, 33. Hope everything's well and swell around Virginia. 33, Bird Dog and Lady Bird Dog. Well, have a good day, wave. Bird Dog, yeah, everything's going good. A little rain, a little snow. Bird Dog expecting a little more this weekend. Yeah, you're sounding good back in, I don't know, 33 degrees. Yeah, poor Roger, you sound grand too up here this morning. Hey, I hope everything's well and swell. You guys stay warm when that snow comes. We're supposed to get some later this week too. We're kind of getting tired of it up here. We've had 18 to 20 inches since around December, Roger. Naughty, yeah. You've had a little more than what we've had back here, but we've been snowbound here for the last couple of weeks or three, and expecting to get a little more. I don't know how much. They ain't never figured out how much we're going to get there, but it'll probably be 6, 7 inches, 10 under. Yeah, for Roger's only 6 or 7 inches. All right, man, 33. I appreciate you taking the time to show up here around the state of Washington. Tell the better half we said hello, and I won't tie it up too much because they'll come and hit me with a stick up here. Come on, Bird Dog. Always a pleasure. On 33, then you have a good week coming up there. Bird Dog having on 33. It's a pleasure on this end. Right back from the smallest to the tallest, 33. Have a great day and welcome to the weekend coming up. I know it's still a day away, but we live for the weekends up here, Roger. You got it on that right there. Yeah, the same way down in here, Bird Dog. Definitely the same thing. Roger, 33. Big old peace, love, and happiness, and I'm back quiet. Even down your way, 51.
Oh, 33, Candyman. Yeah, rain, snow, cold. I believe it's winter time, don't you?
Believe it is. Hello, Mr. 33, Mr. 51, down here in Mobile.
Yeah, sound good.
Roger, well done, sounding good. When you're driving by my doorstep, the info like I'm driving by your doorstep. Up there on around now, sounds like. Oh, he said you're driving by I know about there, Chevy.